Most people focus on solar panels, inverters, and batteries, but ignores one component that silently determines whether their solar system will work perfectly or fail. It's small, it's often overlooked, but it can cost you money, power, and safety. Today, we'll be uncovering the hidden wonders of MC4 connectors and why every serious solar installer swears by them. If you are building or running a solar system, especially in demanding setups like homes, farms, or off-grid operations, understanding MC4 connectors is not optional, it's fundamental. Stay with me because most people are using this MC4 connector wrongly and they don't even know it. MC4 connectors are industry standard connectors for linking solar panels together. MC4 stands for multi-contact 4mmp. They are engineered for reliability. It carries high voltage DC safely. It resists dust, rain, and heat. It locks firmly in place. Once connected properly, doesn't loosen, degrade quickly, or compromise performance. Now let's talk about why they are so powerful. Number one is secured locking system. When MC4 connectors clicks and fully lock together, it doesn't come apart easily, preventing accidental disconnection. Number two is reliable electrical connections. MC4 connectors ensures tight, low resistance contact, meaning maximum energy transfer. So no power is lost as heat with MC4 connectors. Number three is environmental protection. Outdoor systems faces harsh conditions. So MC4 connectors is sealed against moisture and dust, maintaining performance over time. Number four is scalability. If you want to expand your solar system, MC4 connectors makes it easy for you to connect your solar panels either in series or in parallel without any issues. This is MC4 connector. As you can see, it is locked in place. Let me unlock it. When you unlock it, you have the positive terminal and the negative terminal. MC4 connector, as you can see physically, it is waterproof such that when it is connected together, water can't find its way inside the connection, and also dust and any other environmental condition. So once it is locked completely, the connection is permanent. It can't disconnect on its own. Here are the mistakes that most people make using MC4 connectors. One is using counterfeit or substandard MC4 connectors. Two is mixing different brands of MC4 connectors. Three is improper clamping, leading to hidden resistance. Four is not fully locking the connectors. These mistakes doesn't always show immediately, but with time, they reduce efficiency, causes voltage drops, and even fire outbreak. If you want consistent high-level performance, use certified original MC4 connectors. Always clamp with proper MC4 clamping tools. Verify polarity before making final connections. And ensure each connector clicks and locks completely. This is what happens when you don't use MC4 connectors for connecting your solar panels together. When you connect your solar panels manually, using your pliers to join the two cables together and covering it up with electrical masking tape, what happens is that with time, the masking tape will begin to loosen up and water will start finding its way inside the connection. The point of joining will begin to loosen up and start experiencing resistance to the flow of current, which will make the cables to heat up, and your solar energy output reduces drastically. If not taken care of, can even cause fire outbreak. So not using MC4 connectors for connecting your solar panels together is very unprofessional. In solar system, performance is not just about the most expensive solar components. It's about precision in the smallest details. Master your connections and your solar system will reward you with efficiency, safety, and longevity. If you find this video helpful, do well to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on your notification button so you'll be notified when I release videos like this. See you in the next video.